Did you know Claude Desktop cannot read your local files by default? No PPTs, no Excel sheets, no code folders, nothing on your computer. That's a huge limitation for real work. Every time you want Claude to touch a local file, you have to manually upload it. Annoying if you're managing whole project folders, codebases, or Office documents. But here's the fix: a free local MCP server that gives Claude Desktop real file system access. And it takes just 3 steps. Step 1. Download the server.py script. Step 2. Add it to your Claude Desktop config under Developer Options, just point it at the folder you want to expose. Step 3. Restart Claude Desktop. That's it. Now Claude can list, read, write, move, and organize files right on your computer, plus create Python virtual environments and track its own tool usage in real time. Link in the description. Try it and let me know what you build.